Hi guys, Beata Khoo here from My Sweet Passion Cakes in Brighton. How I do my glue, when you glue your figurines, anything else, how I actually do it. I don't buy it ready-made, it's too expensive. So what I do, I use a bit of Tyler powder, okay? This one's quite old, I believe, but anyway, still works. And what I do, I put quarter teaspoon, if not less, in my little container. Add a little bit of water, little bit. Honestly, you don't ask me how much because I don't measure. Just a little bit. You can always add later on a bit more. Okay. What I normally do, I take a back of a spoon or skewer. The best probably skewer. Just stir a little bit. Okay. And here we are. And just put container top, lid on it, shake it a little bit. Pop in the fridge and you've got your glue ready. Another form of glue, if I don't have Tyler powder, I don't have this, I just take a little bit of old fondant here. I've had it soaked in the water already. I pop in here. I put a bit of water, show you. I put hot water in here, so it's not even 50 ml for a little bit of fondant. 30 seconds in microwave. I'll come back to you. After 30 seconds, you can see it, water is quite misty. Back of a spoon if you want, or skewer. Mix it a little bit more. That's it. The bits here, I use a lot of times to glue the cake to the board. Because this, it's absolutely brilliant. The cake won't go anywhere. But the water is absolutely super for the glue. So you don't need to spend a fortune. Just use water like that. It glues perfectly. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks, guys. Bye.